How to get rid of mold on walls. Wall mold is very dangerous because it is difficult to detect. When developed inside or behind walls, it could be there for months before you suspect a problem. Common causes for wall mold are cracked foundation, leaking, damaged roofing or a burst pipe. Wall mold damages your walls and health. Most common symptoms you will suffer are allergy and respiratory problems. The first signs of wall mold are discolored walls, water damage or an overpowering musty smell in your home. You should remove the wall mold quickly before it causes adverse health reactions and compromises the building's structural soundness. Do-it-yourself solutions for wall mold removal are not safe and effective. Without the proper equipment and expertise, this mission is impossible. Instead, contact our professionals to effectively remove mold from your walls. We cover Ontario and Quebec in Canada. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.